My name is Faiz Salim. I'm from the Cullen whānau in Orake. My pathway sort of went, I finished year 13, then an opportunity came up for a scholarship, Water Care Ngāti Whātua scholarship, so I grabbed that with both hands. In doing that I needed to study civil engineering, so I needed to meet the civil engineering requirements of entry. Finished the degree, became a graduate, got the graduate role here at Water Care, and have been working for them full-time 5 years, and now I'm a project manager. Some advice I give to rangatahi is don't be afraid to dream. You need to dream. If you don't dream, then you never sort of reach the point where you ever want to be. Second to that is you need to set a target and work out what's needed to reach that target. And if the earlier you do that, the more likely you are to reach your target. Also, it's not going to be easy. Like things are like good jobs are always hard to get, and the journey to get those good jobs are hard to get. So stickability is key. You need to be able to stick to what you do. And finally, don't go for the easy rewards now, like getting a job straight away. Work hard, get your education, and then bang, you'll be in the big bucks. So yeah, go for that.